Differentiation, chapter 11, tangents. If the curve y is equal to fx is given to us and p any point, p x1 y1 be any point on the curve, then the tangent of a curve at point p is defined as the slope of tangent to the curve at point p x1 y1, and it is given as denoted as dy by dx. The value of dy by dx or the value of slope is at point p x1 y1 is given as dy by dx at x is equal to y1, y is equal to y1. For if we say the slope is curve is there, what we do first, we differentiate the slope, take the first derivative of the slope and first derivative of the curve, and then put the value of x as x1 and y as y1 to get the value of dy by dx. Now, if the slope of tangent dy by dx is 0, then the tangent is parallel to x-axis and its equation is given as y is equal to y1. And if the slope of tangent dy by dx does not exist, then we say the tangent at P is parallel to y-axis and the equation is given as x is equal to x1. Equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to fx at point P x1 y1 is given as y minus y1 is equal to slope of tangent x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m x1 minus x1, where m is a slope and it is given as dy by dx at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Let us proceed with some few questions on it, so that it will slope of tangent as well as the equation of tangents to the curve is more clear to us. Question 1. What is the slope of the tangent to the curve this at point 1, 1? To calculate the slope of the tangent, first of all, we find the derivative of the given curve. Or you can say derivative of the given curve is the slope of the tangent. So we have, in this case, we say differentiating, as curve is given to us, differentiating with respect to x, what we get, this gives us 2x plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Constant term, it's become 0. So take dy by dx common. Dy by dx, I get 3 plus 2y, and this gives minus 2x. 2x changes the side, minus 2x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 3 plus 2y. But we have to calculate the slope of tangent at point 1, 1. So we say that slope of tangent dy by dx at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is minus 2 into 1 upon 3 plus 2 into 1. Wherever there is x, I put 1. Wherever there is y, I put 1. So what should I get? I get minus 2 upon 3 plus 2, 5. So we have dy by dx. So slope of tangent, the slope of tangent is given as minus 2 by 5 at 1, 1. Find the point on the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1 at which the slope of tangent is 4. So, first of all, I calculate the slope of tangent. Curve is given as y is equal to 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Differentiate respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 6x minus 2. Slope of tangent is 4 is given to us. That means dy by dx is equal to 4. This is given to us. So I put the value of dy by dx in this equation, in equation number 1. So I get from equation 1, I get 4 is equal to 6x minus 2. That means 6x is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. The value of x is equal to 1. I have to calculate the point. I have to calculate the point of the curve. So I put the value of x in the given curve. Put the value of x is equal to 1 in given curve. What should I get? Y is equal to 3, 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to y is equal to 2. So I get the value of y as 2. I know I get the value of x as 1, y as 2. So the given point is, so point on the curve is 1 comma 2. Point on the curve is 1 comma 2. X as 1, y as 2. So the point on the curve is 1 comma 2. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, at which the tangents are parallel to x-axis. We know that when tangent is parallel to x-axis, that means dy by dx is equal to 0. Tangent are parallel to x-axis implies dy by dx is equal to 0. Slope of tangent is equal to 0. So differentiating the curve with respect to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to x, 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we calculate the value of dy by dx as dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x upon y. Divide throughout by 2 and then calculate the value of dy by dx, we get 1 minus x by y. Since tangent is parallel to x-axis, that means dy by dx is equal to 0. So if I put this equal to 0, what should I get? Minus x upon y is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 1. Put the value of x in the given curve. Put the value of x is equal to 1 in given curve. We get 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So y square is equal to 4. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. So it becomes, and when we change the sign we get 4. So y square is equal to 4 implies y is equal to plus minus 2. The value of y plus minus 2. So the given points are, we have to calculate the points of the curve. So points on the curve are 1 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 2. 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 2. So these are the points on the curve. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve is given to us at point 1, 3. First of all, we calculate the slope of the tangent. So differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Put the value of x as 1 to get the value of slope. So slope of tangent to the curve dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is equal to 4 1 cube minus 18 1 square plus 26 into 1 minus 10, which is equal to 4 minus 18 minus 14 minus 14 plus 26. Minus 14 plus 26 is 12. 12 minus 10 is 2. So we get the slope as 2. So we given equation of tangent to the curve is y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. Here the value of y1 is 3 and x1 is 1. So I will write y minus 3 is equal to dy by dx we calculated as 2x minus 1. a point is given as 1, 3. At 1, 3, so we have taken y1 as 3 and x1 as 1. On solving, y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. So take 2x this side, y minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2, the equation becomes y minus 2x minus 1. So the equation of tangent is, this is my required equation of tangent. This is the required equation of tangent. Y minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 at point 1, 1. So first of all, we calculate the slope of the tangent. So differentiate with respect to x. We get 2 by 3 x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 y to the power minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to 0. 2 by 3 take common and we cancel out. I left with y minus 1 by 3 dy by dx is equal to minus x minus 1 by 3. So dy by dx is equal to minus x by y whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Substitute the value of x and y as 1. So slope of tangent, we can say slope of tangent at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to minus 1. So the slope of the tangent is minus 1. We have to find the equation of the tangent to the curve. So equation of tangent to the curve at point 1, 1 is given as, this is the general equation. This is the general equation. Here the value of y1 is 1 and x1 is 1. So dy by dx I calculated as minus 1. So substitute all the values in this equation to get the required equation of tangent. So y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 x minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1. So this implies y plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So I say that required equation of tangent. This is my required equation of tangent. Y plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation of tangent. So what we have done, first of all, we calculate the slope of the tangent, dy by dx we have to calculate, and then find the value of dy by dx at the given point. After that, the standard equation of the tangent is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx x minus x1. Substitute the value of y1 x1 with the point is given to us, and then we calculate the required equation of the tangent. If the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square plus ax plus b at point 1 comma minus 6 is parallel to the line 2x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0, find the value of a and b. First of all, we calculate the slope of tangent and the slope of line. So curve is given as y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus a. Now calculate the value of dy by dx at 1 comma minus 6. So dy by dx at x is equal to 1, as y is not there, y is minus 6. Since y is not there, I put x is equal to 1, is 3 plus a. 1 square is 1, 3 plus a. This is my equation 1. Now the equation line is given as 2x minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Again differentiate. This is my line, equation of line. Differentiate with respect to x. I get 2 minus 2 dy by dx is equal to 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 1. This is my second equation. Here dy by dx, the value of dy by dx 3 plus a and dy by dx is 1. And it's given to us that the tangent is parallel to the line. As tangent is parallel to the line, that means the slopes are equal, because we know that the lines are parallel when slopes are equal. So we say that tangent is parallel to line, therefore slopes are equal. That means equate equation 1 and 2. I equate equation 1 and 2. That means 3 plus a is equal to 1. So a is equal to minus 2. I get the value of a as minus 2. Now put the value of a as minus 2, x as 1 and x as 1 and y as minus 6 in the given curve. So put x is 1, y minus 6, a as minus 2 in the curve. Y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. I get minus 6 is equal to 1 minus 2 plus b, because the value of x is 1. So on calculating, I get b is equal to minus 5. So hence I can say that the value of a is minus 2 and b is minus 5. I have to calculate the value of a and b. So hence I calculate a as minus 2 and b as minus 5. The only point, the main thing that we have to understand, and it's given as parallel. Parallel line means slopes are equal. Parallel means slopes are equal. Therefore, I have equated it, and then we get the value of a and b. Determine the point of the curve y is equal to 3x square minus 5 at which the tangent is perpendicular to the line whose slope is minus 1 by 3. The slope of line is minus 1 by 3 is given to us. We find the slope of the curve. Slope of the curve means slope of tangent. So curve is given as y is equal to 3x square minus 5. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to 6x. This is my first equation. This is slope of tangent. And the slope of line is minus 1 by 3. This is my second equation. Now we know that it's given to us. It's given that tangent is perpendicular to line. Tangent to the curve is perpendicular to line is given to us. And we know if lines are perpendicular, then the product of slopes is minus 1. Then product of their slope is minus 1. Multiply equation 1 and 2. I get 6x into minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1, because product of slope is minus 1. So on calculating, minus 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. The value of x as 1 by 2. I put the value of x in the given curve to get the value of y. So put x 1 by 2 in the curve. So I get y is equal to 3 1 by 2 whole square minus 5. So y is equal to 3 by 4 minus 5. So y is equal to minus 17 by 4. So my required point is point of the curve is half comma minus 17 by 4. Half comma minus 17 by 4. What I have did, because this is very important, you must know when the lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slope is minus 1. So I multiplied both of them, equated that is equal to minus 1. Thus we get the value of x, and the value of, from the value of x we put the value in the curve, and to get the value of y. Thus we get the point half L and minus 17/4. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and perpendicular to the line y minus 15x is equal to 30. So first of all, we calculate the slope of the curve. Curve is given as y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So differentiate with respect to x. I get dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. This is my equation 1. I am solving for the part 1, and this slope is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9. So I calculate the slope of the line also. This is parallel to line 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to x. I get 2 minus dy by dx is equal to 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 2. This is my second equation. Since lines are parallel, so curve is parallel to line. Therefore, slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. That means 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Divide throughout by 2. X minus 1 is equal to 1. X is equal to 2. Put the value of x in the curve to calculate the point. So I get y is equal to 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7. So y is equal to 7. So point is 2 comma 7. Point is 2 comma 7. So equation of tangent to the curve when it is parallel to the line is given as y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx x minus x1. Now substitute the value of y1 as 7 and x as 2. So I get y minus 7 is equal to 2 times x minus 2, because slope is 2 is already given to us. Slope is equal, so slope is 2 we get. So substitute the on solving, what should I get? Y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. So 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0. This is my required equation. Required equation of tangent. Required equation of tangent. Now tangent to the curve is perpendicular to the line y minus 15x is equal to 30. We calculate the slope of the line. Perpendicular line is 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So differentiate with respect to x. I get 5 dy by dx minus 15 equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to 3. This is my equation number 3. Now as tangent is perpendicular to the line, tangent is perpendicular to the line, therefore the product of slope is minus 1. Product of slope is minus 1. So multiply 1 and 3. 2x minus 2 into 3 should be equal to minus 1. So I get 6x minus 6 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 5 by 6. So I get one point as x as 5 by 6. Put the value of this x in the given curve to calculate the value of y. So as I have to erase this, then we calculate the value of y. Now the value of x I put in the given curve. So put x is equal to 5 by 6 in given curve. Y is equal to 5 by 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. Y is equal to 25 by 36 minus 5 by 3 plus 7. Take the LCM. Y is equal to 25 by 36 LCM plus 16 by 3. So we get Y is equal to 25 plus 192 by 36. Cross multiply, need not to cross multiply. This implies Y is equal to 217 by 36. So the point is 5 by 6 and 217 by 36. So we have to find the equation of the tangent which the given point is given, which passes through this point, and the slope is we put the value of x as 5 by 6 to get the slope. So slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to 5 by 6 minus 2, which is equal to 3 minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is the slope. So we calculate as, I say, equation of tangent to the curve is y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. And the point is 5 by 6 and 217 by 36. So y1 I put as 217 by 36. So y minus 217 by 36 is equal to slope is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, x minus, and the x1 is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So on solving, I get 36y minus 217 is equal to minus 12 6x minus 5 upon 2. Sorry, upon 6. Upon this cancel out, we come to 36y minus 217 minus 2 6x minus 5. 36y minus 217 minus 12x plus 10. Take all this to the left hand side. I get 36y plus 12x minus 227 is equal to 0. This is my required equation of tangent. This is the required equation of tangent. Hope the tangent topic is being clear to you. So keep watching my video. Must like and subscribe my video.